we have a couple more announcements to make on an existing title that Mr. Iwata will cover. See you next
Mario
time.
Kart 8 DLC.
Hello again. For today's final game, I have some
Yeah.
new information about
That's what I'm
downloadable
talking about.
content for Mario Kart 8.
You listening, Rocky? Alright. Villager, where's Isabelle? Yeah, she's back there. Oh, this is the Animal Crossing track. Right? Yes. Nice. I can't get over how good Mario Kart 8 looks. The graphics are just on point.
What you are watching right now is the
Man, I'm probably
new
gonna main
Animal
Isabelle.
Crossing course included
It's gonna
in
be the
Mario
girl.
Kart 8 DLC Pack 2. Here you find familiar
Ah.
elements and characters that make this course feel like a piece of the Animal Crossing world. On this course, this season will change each time
Can you play as
race.
different villagers, or what's going on
Spring,
here?
summer, fall, and winter.
That is awesome.
Much like in Animal Crossing games, you can bask in a variety of seasonal vistas here. Plus,
How's my
we
battery?
put a lot of
Good.
effort into the background music too. The background track is a souped-up racing version of the Animal Crossing theme, recorded live in studio. Mario Kart 8 DLC Pack 2 will include new racers, Isabelle, Villager,
Oh, I
and
just see more
Driver,
tracks though.
plus 4 new cars, as well as 8 new courses, including the Animal Crossing course you just saw. We are happy to announce that instead of in May, this pack will be released on April 23rd.
Oh, that's
In
this
the
month.
future, we'll
That's what I'm
have
talking
more
about.
details about the cars and courses that are on the way.
Why did you do a full-fledged trailer then? I wanted to see all the tracks.
More Mii Racing suit will be
Oh,
added.
that's cool.
These
Pac-Man and
9
a Sonic
new
hat or
compatible
helmet.
Amiibo characters will add costumes to the game. Please try on your
Yes,
favorite
Toad.
and
I just
enjoy
got a Toad
racing
Amiibo.
in style. We have one more announcement for Mario Kart 8. Please take a look.
The Mario Kart series has been a part of many gamers' lives for over 20 years, ever since the debut of Super Mario Kart for the Super Nintendo
This is
Entertainment
true.
System in 1992.
Oh, the memories.
Each entry in the series has featured gameplay that appeals to kids and adults alike by offering 3 main racing classes. 50cc, a class which anyone can enjoy playing with relative ease.
Right.
100cc, a speedier class that requires some skill and technique. 150cc, the fastest class, where finely honed skills are needed to compete with the best of the best. But now,
Oh,
200cc
shit.
is here.
That's too much for me, man. Oh, man. That's awesome, though. I love a little challenge in my games. It's more than a little, but... This is great. Updatable for free, nice.
Ever since the original Super Mario Kart game, 150cc has been the fastest class. But now, we are introducing you to a whole new
Crazy
level,
fast. Braking is
the
crucial.
200cc class. Because it's so fast, you have to have a good braking skill around tight corners. It's Mario Kart, like you've never experienced it before.
Man, I'm so ready
This
for this.
not only applies to the new downloadable courses. Every course in the game will offer a 200cc class in local and online play. Alongside Mario Kart 8 DLC Pack 2, an update adding 200cc mode will be released on April 23rd. After downloading the update, you'll be able to enjoy this new 200cc class for free. Whether you think you can handle the speed or not, please try out this new 200cc class of races. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.
Thank you, Iwata.